Are you still avoiding that spicy food, coffee, or the favorite food of yours only to avoid acidity? Be honest, how long will you be avoiding all these foods? Because that is not the real solution. And that is exactly why your acidity is not fixed. You eat something, burning starts, you feel bloated and heavy again. What do you do then? You avoid those foods, take some tablets, try some home remedies. It works only for some time, but you're again and again getting into the same problem. You're not doing anything wrong. You're just solving the wrong problem. In this video, I'll be sharing with you what exactly is causing this and how to fix the root cause of it. Acidity is not about food. It is about your gut health. This is where most people go wrong. I've seen this so many times. People avoid food, fear eating to avoid acidity. They often believe that this is the only solution. Believe me, I have been there for decades doing the same. But once we fix our gut health, acidity goes away not temporarily, but for life. This is how I have got rid from acidity and also guide my clients do the same. Your gut controls your digestion, breaks down the food and absorbs the right nutrients. When your gut is weak, it doesn't digest the food properly. Gas builds and pressure increases. That pressure pushes the acid up, and that is what you exactly feel acidity. It is not the acidity that is the problem, it is your gut. Now, let me give you reasons why your gut is struggling. The first and the foremost reason is irregular eating patterns. You skip meals, you eat late night, and that makes your system unstable. The second reason is stress plus fast eating. You often don't chew your food. You eat quickly. Your body will never be ready to start digestion. The third and the foremost reason is weak gut environment. You don't eat the necessary fiber. You don't consume probiotics. Your good gut bacteria become weak. Now, here is the real solution and most important part. If you fix this, your acidity starts reducing naturally. The first step is to rebuild your gut. Add probiotics such as curd, buttermilk, or any fermented food in your daily diet. Make sure to include fiber. Eat lots and lots of vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. By this, you will increase your good gut bacteria and your gut health improves. This is not a quick fix. This is a permanent solution. The second step is fix your eating rhythm. What does that mean? Have your meals at regular timing. Don't skip your breakfast. Don't eat your dinner late. Have a fixed time and do that consistently. Your gut needs consistency. The third step is support digestion. Eat slowly. Eat mindfully. Make sure to chew your food properly. Don't think about anything while eating. Just be mindful. And this will help you in digestion. These simple habits will have a powerful impact on your gut health. Imagine how that feels when you don't have any fear of eating. You don't need to avoid your favorite food for your lifetime. That is exactly how a good gut health feels. Actually, you don't need to avoid your favorite food. You need only to fix your gut health using these 3 simple steps. Include probiotics and fiber in your meals. Eat at regular intervals and eat your food mindfully. Using these 3 simple steps, you will be able to improve your gut health which in turn fixes your acidity, bloating, and all your gut problems. Tell me honestly, what are the foods you keep avoiding for the fear of acidity? Please put everything in the comments. I'll be reading each and every comment and replying back to you. Also, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for the realistic solution to your health challenges.